The Kira Home Asher is a popular vanity light on Amazon that has over 150 customer reviews and a 4.7 star rating. Customers frequently mention that the Asher looks great, has a good build quality, and is easy to install. The Kira Home Asher is perfect to install in a bathroom over a mirror, over a makeup vanity, or above a gallery wall. This sleek light comes in a black finish with a smoked birch wood style frame. It is also available as a 2 light, 3 light, or 4 light, giving you options to find the perfect fit for your space. The design of the Asher is minimalistic, with linear edges that give it a clean and refined modern farmhouse look. The linear bar that spans across the fixture is made to resemble a smoked birch style wood. The clear funnel glass shades are hand blown and flow well with the crisp edges of the Asher vanity. They allow use for artistic bulbs, such as the vintage Edison bulb, vintage round bulbs, or vintage tube bulbs. If you're looking to create a well-lit space, we recommend using LED bulbs. Feel free to set the mood or adjust the level of shine, as the Asher is dimmable when used with the proper bulb and dimmer combination. As always, the Asher vanity light is ETL listed for your safety. You may notice similar competing items on the Amazon market space that say UL listed sockets, or not have UL or ETL listings at all. Those companies are trying to cut corners and save a buck. However, at Kira Home, all of our factories and items produced in those factories have been subjected to certification by those safety labs. Our feedback is never influenced or bought. All of our reviews are genuine and truthful from real customers. And remember, we are a US-based company with real local support. So if you ever encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us online, on the phone, or by the email listed on all of our product manuals and packaging.